Microsoft terminates some services to Israeli military after technology was used to spy on Palestinians in Gaza. This is from my Islamify post on Instagram. Microsoft has cut off some services to a unit of Israel's Ministry of Defense after an investigation found its technology had been used to conduct mass surveillance on people in Gaza. Brad Smith, president of the company, said using the firm's technology to conduct mass surveillance on civilians was a violation of its standard terms of service. Mr. Smith said the decision, which was prompted by an investigation published by The Guardian, would not affect other work the company does with Israel. Firstly, why are you working with them in the first place? Secondly, why are you working with them whilst they have carried out genocide over the last almost 2 years? Thirdly, why are you still continuing to work with them despite them doing wrongdoings in terms of what you supply with them? Also, everybody is terminating things with them, staying away from them, boycotting them, doing this with them, having arrest warrants for their politicians, and so many different things. But Microsoft, no, you still want to continue. You realize you do one wrong thing, oh no, but we'll still continue. It seems like just about money for you, and this is like there's a huge fire and you're putting a drop of water just to pretend like you're doing something. And also, I'd like to mention is now this was an investigation that the Guardian did that you were notified by or whatever. Now that you're still continuing to do business with them out of your own choice and you know what they've done, you should be investigating every single thing that you supply them and do business dealings with them, because they could potentially use all of those things to do wrong things. So now you shouldn't be waiting for the Guardian or anybody else to tell you that, oh no, Israel has done this and that again. You have the duty to investigate, because you know they are wrong and you're still choosing to do business with them. And later on, let's say they do something wrong, you can't just say, and you say probably apologize and say, oh, X, Y, and Z, you didn't know about it. Forget about you didn't know about it. You're still choosing to do business with them despite what they have already done and what they were probably doing, and despite the genocide. So all the business dealings that you still choose to do, you have to investigate every single thing. You just supplied them with this. Let me track it and see did they use it for anything wrong. And if they have, then you have to tell us about it. But you're not going to do that, are you? And it shows you capitalism is a disease, and many people agree with it and say it. And after another saying that's similar, money is the root of all evil. And I'm not going to say it's the root of all evil, but often it's the root of many evil. And here is an example, because it's not about, oh, let's care about the Palestinians, or let's not do business with the enemies of humanity, or let's stop this and that. No. We'll stop one thing that we found out that they're doing wrong, and we'll continue everything else. So why? Because it seems like there's a business transaction going. You are supplying them with things and they're giving you money. Because it seems like you're pretending to care because you have to care because the Guardian have exposed it now. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure it seems like you would probably continue because you're continuing now. So what's stopping you from just cutting ties permanently? Does the Guardian have to show you more things for you to step away one more, and then they show you another thing, then you step away one more, and they show you another thing, then you step away with another one more thing until you step away completely? Why can't you completely step away right now? This is showing you true colors, and hopefully soon you'll be forced to step away, because hopefully more things will be revealed, because I'm sure there is more things to be revealed, and this is what you know. Well, this is what we know, and there's probably more things we don't know, and I'm assuming there's probably things that you know that you're not even telling us about because you want to continue their business dealings. This is what you probably want to do, and this is a shame that such a huge tech company wants to continue. For what? You've got customers around the world. You can make billions in different ways, but you still want, or even trillions. But with the AI coming quick, and there's a lot of investment in it, you can make trillions. But no, you still want to stay with the enemies of humanity. Hopefully they do more, that all of their other things that they're doing wrong is exposed, until you have to keep apologizing and keep stepping back and removing deals after deals after deals until you are forced to completely remove yourself only, and then you are humiliated because you didn't choose to, you were forced to. Because you could choose to leave now, but you're not leaving. And hopefully people boycott Microsoft completely until they are losing billions, and then you'll probably end up giving a fake apology and saying now you support the cause because you lost money.